It's a pleasure to be here, and Frane, thanks for inviting me. The talks I heard so far were so inspiring. The title of my talk is Can City of Zagreb Increase Croatian Innovation Score? And the reason I'm asking this, as you could see, Croatia is not performing well on Innovation Union scoreboard. And the data that you see is for 2017, but unfortunately, Innovation Union scoreboard for several years before, Croatia was not performing well. The reason I'm bringing this up is, if you want innovative society, no matter do you have science-driven innovation or domain-driven innovation, any kind of innovation, you need to have a public opinion and essentially entire country to understand the importance of innovation for our today and our future. The national innovation system in any country is a rather complex thing. And it's great what Frane does here at Zagreb, and I'm sure at the end of my talk you will appreciate that I strongly believe that this, what he does with his team here, can really impact on Croatian innovation system. But as you could see, innovation starts at the firm level. But there are so many areas in innovation, in a national innovation system, that do impact on how innovative one country could be and how innovative firms in this country can be. Obviously, the knowledge depends on science and education system of the country, the technology deployment and absorption capacity of businesses. But I don't want to overwhelm you with data, but I'll briefly show you what Croatia did so far since we became a member state, and even before we were preparing to become a member state. Strategic documentation, Croatian innovation strategy, a smart specialization strategy, strategy for science, education and technology, and some others have been developed in the period between 2014 and 2016. However, I can tell you that our national innovation system is not well coordinated at this point, and there is a lot of tuning to be done. There is agency here in Croatia. Obviously, there are a couple of ministries that are important to develop innovation-related strategies. Those are Ministry of Science and Education, Ministry of Economy, and a few others. But these are the two main ministries. The main implementing agency, and I see some people here from Hamag Bicro, it's an agency that is a central implementing agency in this country, which has lots of instruments and financial instruments that can help the companies to develop innovation. And one thing I would encourage, Frane, is you to make stronger collaboration, and maybe you do have already one, with Hamag Bicro agency, which I consider should grow stronger. And they have full support of everybody who does understand that you have, development agencies like yours, but the central government agency that does help and foster your work. Now, through Hamag Bicro, for example, Croatia learned over a period of 10 years what are the sectors that are essentially strong in the country. As you could see them here, ICT obviously, some others. But when we prepared the smart specialization strategy, which helped countries, to focus what areas and what sectors are strong in this country, obviously these are sectors of the Croatian priorities: health and quality of life, energy, transport, security, and food and bioeconomy. Now we know them. However, our score is still really bad. So can City of Zagreb change this? Zagreb, in my view, should strive to become important innovation center in Europe. This is a very ambitious goal. But Frane, what I heard today leads me to believe that you might become 5 years from now. Maybe in this part of Europe, not all over Europe. Let's have a small ambition, but still big vision. Develop your own model. I loved the presentation from Florence, made me come to visit that great city. Congratulations. But Zagreb should be learning from experiences of others, but develop their own model in our Croatian context of our Croatian environment, what really matters to us. Select priority areas. You cannot do everything. Monitor and evaluate your implementation, promote Zagreb as innovation city worldwide, and develop smart, I would say, partnerships with other cities, and provide leadership to other Croatian cities. Zagreb is not Croatia. Zagreb is the capital, but we have the rest of the cities in the country that can follow your example. Thank you very much.